So here we are bringing you the latest update on the wildfire, the New Jersey wildfire. So it started on April 22nd on the Jones Road wildfire, which ignited in the Greenwood Forest Wildlife Management Area near Barnegat Township, Ocean Country, New Jersey. Fueled by dry, windy conditions, the fire rapidly expanded to 8,500 acres. And now, from the recent report, it has almost spread over 1,200 acres of land, threatening more than 1,300 structures and prompting the evacuation of approximately 3,000 residents from Ocean and Legacy townships. The blaze led to the temporary closure of major roadways, including the 7-mile stretch of the Garden State Parkway and sections of Route 9. Power was preemptively cut to about 250 Jersey Central Power and Light Company customers to ensure firefighters' safety. As of late Tuesday night, the fire was only 10% contained. However, by Wednesday morning, all evacuation orders were lifted and previously closed roads were reopened. No injuries have been reported, and despite the fire's proximity to properties like an alpaca farm, no damages or threats to animal safety occurred. The cause of the wildfire remains under investigation. The incident marks the second significant fire in the area within a week, highlighting the region's vulnerability due to its sandy soil, low humidity, and ongoing drought conditions. Stay informed by subscribing to our channel for the latest updates on the developing stories. See you next time.